Converting percentages. This always crops up at some level. You should be able to convert between percentages, fractions and decimals very easily. For example, you should know that 50% is equal to a half and is equal to 0.5. But how do we do this? Percentages mean how many per 100 or how many out of 100. So 100% is 100 out of 100. So 100% equals 1. And 50% is 50% out of 100, or sorry, 50 out of 100, and 50% is a half, or 0.5. Just remember that a percentage is 100 times too big, so that when you make a percentage, you multiply by 100, and when you convert from a percentage, you can divide by 100. So here we are. We're going from percentages to fractions. Percentage of 25% into a fraction. We divide 25 by 100, so we get 25 over 100, but you can see that both these numbers divide by 25. 25 divides by 25 to give 1 and 100 to give 4, so we have a quarter. Equally, we can make a decimal. 25 divided by 100. Well, the way to make a division of 100 is to move the decimal place 2 places to the left. And that'll give you 0.25, which I'm sure you're familiar with. 25% is the same as a quarter, is the same as 0.25. Now that's going from percentages to fractions and decimals when we divide by 100. If we're going to make a percentage from fractions and decimals, we multiply by 100 because a percentage is 100 times too big. Let's go from a fraction to a percentage, say a fraction of a quarter. We will multiply a quarter by 100, it's 100 over 4, which we divide by each one by 4. 100 goes to 25, 4 goes to 1. We don't have a number over 1, that's the same as the number. That equals 25. So that a quarter equals 25%. Coming from a decimal, again 0.25, we want to multiply by 100, and the way to multiply by 100 is to move the decimal place 2 places to the right, and that gives us 25. So a quarter is the same as 0.25 is the same as 25%. Let's have an example. Write 43 as a fraction, 43%. A percentage is 100 times too big, so I'm going to divide by 100. 43 over 100, neither of which is going to divide. 43 is a prime. Let's just check that. 43 over 100, we'll multiply by 100 to get into a percentage, it's 43%. Go the other way. 2/5 as a percentage. A percentage is 100 times too big, so we multiply by 100. 2/5 times 100, well, that's equal to 200 over 5. Both of those divide by 5, that gives 40%. And to check, 40 divided by 100, 40 over 100, both of those divide by 20 to give me 2/5. Lovely. Multiplying and dividing by 100 is converting to and from percentages. So I hope now you can see that we've made something that's a little bit tricky into something that's pretty easy. If you like this video, or even if you don't, please subscribe, there's plenty more coming. See you soon.